Today, we will share best DIY dandruff treatment at home. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Use of apple cider vinegar is considered as best DIY dandruff treatment at home because it contains acetic acid that helps balance your scalp's pH level. This, in turn, can prevent moisture loss and scalp dryness, which leads to dandruff. Now, how to use apple cider vinegar for dandruff removal. For this DIY dandruff treatment, you will need 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar and 3 tablespoons of water. Now, what you have to do is mix the raw apple cider vinegar and water. Now, apply this solution to your scalp and leave it on for a few minutes. Then, shampoo your hair. For best results, you have to repeat this method 1 to 2 times a week. In our upcoming video, we will share best dandruff treatment, use of aspirin. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.